Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you an Easy Aces Triumph effect. Now because it's called the Easy Aces Triumph effect, we're going to need the Easy Aces, which in fact are just the 4 aces out of the deck. You have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, and you just pull out the 4 aces. Now you can do this beforehand or during your presentation, it really doesn't matter, okay? It's all regular cards, it's just 4 aces in a regular deck, okay? Now you take the aces and you're just gonna lose them face up into a face down pile of cards like that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna mix up the cards even more by shuffling face up cards into face down cards. Now you can do this on the table, or you can just do, if you can get all the cards together, you can just do a Pharaoh shuffle where you just shuffle face up into face down cards, creating a complete mess in the deck of cards. So you should have face up cards and you should have face down cards, okay? A complete mess. Now, if I give the cards a cut, just like that, I can show you there are face up and face down cards. A magic tap, hopefully I can find the first ace. There it is, the ace of clubs. Now to find the other aces, all I have to do is tap the cards with the ace, and if I spread them out, all the cards will be back in order except for the 1, 2, 3 remaining aces. And that's Easy Aces Triumph. Now before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel through YouTube. And if you're looking to support this channel through the YouTube membership program, you can do that all in the links given below.
Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com.
All right, Easy Aces Triumph tutorial. You have your regular deck of cards, pull out the 4 aces, and have the cards face up. Pull out the 4 aces, and square them up and place them on the bottom or on the top of the face up deck, and maintain a break. Okay, this is how you start the trick. Maintain a break on top of all those cards, and then keep it with your thumb. Now what you're doing is you're just gonna, first you're gonna cut a little bit less than half of the deck from the bottom, turn it face down and place it on the top, maintaining that break underneath the aces. So the aces are right here, okay, and you still have the remaining cards. So you do that 2 or 3 times, but the last time you always cut at the break. So you take the last half, place it face down and put them on top. That'll give you the 4 aces now face up on the bottom of face down cards. So you have the 4 aces on the bottom of the face down cards. Get about half the deck, turn it over, fan them out, and say you're gonna shuffle face up into face down cards. While you're doing that, you're covering this hand over here. This is my left hand, this is my right hand. You're covering this hand because you're just gonna flip the deck over, okay? So the spectator doesn't see that, but they still think that these are the face down cards, but they're actually the 4 face down aces, and then every card below them is face up. So when you do that under the fan, okay, like that, now you have 4 face down cards into face up. Now shuffle these together. You can carefully do it on the table or just do a Pharaoh shuffle, and mine was sloppy, but just shuffle the cards together so the spectator sees that face up cards are going into face down cards. Be careful not to shuffle them into the aces, because then the trick won't work as I'm describing it here, okay? So you just did that, shuffle those cards together, you still have the 4 face down aces in on top of a whole bunch of face up cards. Now get a break underneath the top ace only, and maintain that with your thumb, and then you can cut about half the deck from the bottom, place it on top, maintaining that break underneath that 1 ace, and you're showing now you have face up cards, and then the second time you do it, cut at the break, place these on top, so you have and face down cards. Now you have 1 ace on the bottom of the deck, and after you've done that move. Now you're gonna do this kind of triple cut where you take about 1/3 of the cards, swing cut them into your left hand. This is my left hand. Okay, these are face down. These are just the aces, so be careful not to show too many cards. Swing cut another stack of cards, about 1/3. Place them on top of those face down stack, just like that. So you show that you have face down, face up, and then this last remaining stack with the ace that's, you know, now if I turn over, that's like this. Place these below. So you have face up, face down, face up. Now when you square these up, these are the aces, the remaining 3. You square these up, give it a magic tap. When you turn this over, you're now showing the first ace. And if you set these up correctly, this can be the ace of spades if you want. And then when you place these on the table, tap these. Everything should be in order where if you spread these cards out, all of them are face down except for the remaining 1, 2, 3 aces, okay? So that's just a couple moves, but it's an easy ace triumph effect, and it just uses a regular deck of cards. If you have any questions, let me know. I do respond to comments. It is the holidays, but you know, if it's not the holidays, then I am a little bit faster. But if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments. I do respond to comments, usually about a day. So just let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time.